We now have video of an incident that led to a cruelty to children charge against a Lakeview Fort Oglethorpe High School teacher named Kimberly Malone.
Now in the video, you can see Malone and another school employee trying to stop a female student from walking away. Malone then grabbed the student by her backpack, pulling her back. Moments later, the student tries to walk away again. Malone grabs the student's arm. The student snatches her arm away. Malone attempts to direct the student one final time, and then she let the student walk away. Now we are unable to see what may have led to that encounter prior to the video you just saw.
Malone was released on bond Monday. Dallas Payton has this story.
The teacher is alleged to have restrained the student in some shape, form, or fashion while the student was attempting to leave the football stadium. That led to the teacher being suspended and later arrested. Attorney Scott King of Atlanta and attorney Tanya Kraft of Chattanooga are representing Lakeview Fort Oglethorpe High School teacher Kim Malone. King explained the claims.
We've heard varying answers to that. One was because she prevented her from leaving the location by grabbing her backpack, someone said. The other was that she prevented her from using a restroom, which they were in an outdoor activity and the restrooms were closed out there. I don't think anyone barred her from using a restroom.
Kraft says based on what's being alleged and what else could have transpired, she believes Malone would have been criticized regardless.
The teacher had just said, okay, go, do whatever you want to do, and the child had left and something had happened to the child, then the teacher would be held responsible for that.
The attorneys believe school officials have not conducted a proper investigation. Malone has taught for more than 20 years with no incidents on her personal record.
Whatever occurred close to the end of school, not at the end of school, but close to the end. And by that same day, within, I want to say, approximately an hour, she was released and told she was suspended with pay. And then a detective reached out to her. Then she tried to got a hold of us Saturday morning, and they already had decided that they were going to issue a warrant for her and that she was going to be arrested.
Malone's attorneys say they are working to conduct a full investigation into the incident. Kraft says that process could take up to a year or longer.
Her job will be put on hold until this situation is resolved, till the criminal case is resolved. Even after this is resolved, if it's resolved favorably to her, that doesn't mean that the other case just goes away. Then she's going to have to fight for her job, and that's the second fight.
For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.